I think we need to have a good ritual in our lives and to have a time and space that we make during the day to drop in and commune with our higher nature and with that we believe is more than what we are. And so having a good morning routine is absolutely essential to this, where you affirm and you study and you're grateful and you drop into, what is it that you need to do for the day. And I think it's very important to live a life of service and realize that we are not the main actor. We are just a pawn in the sea of life, and that we are acting from something bigger than ourselves. We are in service to something greater than ourselves to help other people live life. It's like we're here to be good people so that we could be good people to other people and to help and to serve. And so to have a deeper connection is to really come from a place of like, hey, higher power, use me to help others live and thrive, and use me to inspire. You asked to be used by your higher power, and also communing with nature, getting out and seeing how grand the world is and how beautiful everything is and how abundant the grass is and how abundant the leaves are and trees, and seeing that there is a higher plan in nature and that we are just merely part of it. We are not the key person. We're not the only person in the world. There is a big organism that we are a part of. And if we can tap into that space, then we're in a pretty good place.